ready to transform your Wix website traffic into a thriving email list. First, let's create the heart of your lead magnet: valuable content. Think helpful books, checklists, templates, or free video courses that solve a problem for your target audience. Now, head over to your Wix editor and design an irresistible opt-in form. You can use Wix's built-in forms or explore third-party apps in the Wix app market. Keep it simple. Ask for only essential information, like name and email. A compelling headline and a brief description of your lead magnet are key to conversion. Make sure your call to action button shouts out the benefit instead of submit. Try something like "Get my free guide." Next, integrate your opt-in form with an email marketing platform like Wix Email Marketing, MailChimp, or Constant Contact. This will allow you to automatically collect and manage your leads. Don't forget a thank you page. This confirms their subscription and delivers the promised lead magnet. You can either direct them to a download page or send the file directly to their inbox. Speaking of inboxes, test the entire process, including the automatic email delivery of your download. Make sure it lands in their inbox and not the spam folder. And just like that, you have a lead magnet powered by Wix, ready to grow your email list and turn visitors into loyal customers. Subscribe for more Wix marketing tips.